Hello, beautiful people. So, today there is a surprise element which I have told you all. So, surprise element is we are having a guest in School for Elders. Yes, and you know who is the guest? Any guesses? He is amazing. I mean, if I will start with his introduction, you know that he is son of a freedom fighter, who was a PRO of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and his father has served in All India Radio as a news editor in New Delhi, and he was a journal manager for 30 years in Ajit newspaper, and which is a renowned newspaper you might have seen in the movies also, right? And if I will give his introduction, he is continuing the legacy of his own father. So which is so I'll start with his achievements. That is national awardee social activist. He is observer in UNICEF. Then he is a secretary of Jalandhar Welfare Society, and he is member and heading many societies and committees and doing lot of social works. He is also district administrator. So my dear friends, the wait is finally over. I will introduce to our guest, whose name is none other than Surinder Saini, sir. So hello and welcome to the show, Saini, sir.
Very good, very good, very good.
How are you?
Oh, fine.
Sir, our audience would like to know the secret of your Sweet 16. You can give challenge to any teenager. So, what is the secret that you are young and you are active at this age? Also, you wake up at 4 o'clock and you keep going till 11 o'clock. Anyone can do this. Any of person who is even of my age or who is teenager, you also cannot do, right? You keep sticking to your phone. So yes, sir.
This is a very amazing thing that I have a privilege to be in a family which is serving the nation, and service like above all. He had no money problem for us, and I start my work. I retired as a gazetted officer, DFSC, and I am a social activist for the last 50 years. From my school age, I am doing this work, and I worked as an interpreter at Vancouver Airport, in Canada, for 1 year. And from there, I learned all the things, how to help the people and how you get involved in all the problems of the people and give them relief. And I started a child helpline here, old age helpline here, Jalandhar Welfare Society here. We serve in all aspects of the life of the people, and for old people, for ailing people, for pregnant women, for children up to age of 0 to 6. I am working for Government of India's health program, Government of India's road safety program, and Government of India's education program in schools, colleges. I am a motivational lecturer for there, and I start in the morning at 4 and in meditation for 2 hours at 6. From 6 to 7, I am going on walk in the park and nearby roads, and then I start my reading newspaper and tea type, and then after 8 I get into the meditation again for Guru Granth Sahib and other meditation I do for 1 and 2.5 an hour.
And
prayers. And then I had a breakfast at 10. From 10 to onward, I'm at the disposal of all the people for 24/7, and anybody can talk to me. I have a toll-free number 102. I have a mobile number 98141 Anybody can talk to me, get help from me anytime, anywhere, of any moment, and at any aspect. I have to give interviews just like you are doing with All India Radio, with Doordarshan, with other channels, with newspapers. I am, you can say, star of Dainik Jagran,
Wow.
Nasha Mukti, Mr. Nasha Mukti. I am Punjab there.
Wow.
And I am Wester of Dainik Bhaskar, and they use me as their representative there. And this is what we are doing. I have on my dad's name there is a Chauk, Ajit Saini Chauk, Ajit Saini Marg, Ajit Saini Government Junior Model School, and we have developed a culture theatre there for 250 seats with 40 lakh rupees grant from Mr. Naresh Kujal, Member Parliament. I have a one ambulance at PAV Chowk for the road victims, and they get free medicine from there. And I have a CCTV camera, 10 CCTV camera at BMC Chowk for the road safety program.
Wow, sir.
This is all. I will continue and counting. You continue this thing, and
Yes.
I have no time waste for idling. And I am at the disposal. I am on toes up to 8 a.m. and from at 11 a.m. 11 p.m. Sorry,
Yes.
and then this is my routine, daily routine, and I have to
keeps you like sweet
live.
16.
I have to attend the meetings with the district administration on road safety, health meetings, and with education meetings with Deputy Commissioner Jalandhar, and give them advice and they get my suggestions and fulfilling it.
So I'm sure my listeners, you have heard.
Don't
and my
feel
all the-
yourself that you are younger than me also.
Yes.
If
So
I can do, you can also do.
absolutely, my all the
I never use this color, 2 rupees color.
No, not at all.
This is not a youngness. This is youngness.
He's
This is
embracing
youngness.
everything with grace, and let me tell you, my listeners and all the viewers, I
Be
have
happy,
also,
be positive, be cooperative.
even I have also requested a time in the morning. So sir said my routine is so I follow my routine religiously, and he said you will come at 5 only. So I have reserved that time. So he is very punctual and very particular about time. He respects time, so time also respects him, right? So one more thing, time will never come. You have to get the time, right? So yes sir, what is the advice you want to give your fellow young people? Young or who are just like sweet 16 like you are, and who think that they are old now, however they are not old.
Not.
वो कहते हैं ना, दिल होना चाहिए जवान, and you should be young at heart, right? दिल तो बच्चा है जी, तो सर का दिल सच में बच्चा है.
देखो कि बात ये है भाई कि घर में बोलना कम रखो.
Yes.
ठीक है, नून क्या बोलती है, पोता क्या बोलता है, आप यू शुड बी ऑब्जर्वर. एंजॉय करो उनकी कंपनी. खाना पीना मिल रहा है, खाते जाओ. लून कम है, कम खा लो. बहुत खाया हुआ है. तो स्वाद है, नहीं स्वाद है, बट उसी में ही स्वाद है जो मिल रहा है. उसका शुक्र करो भगवान का कि आपको जो मिल रहा है उसकी कृपा से मिल रहा है, और उसका धन्यवाद करो. कभी किसी कंप्लेंट नहीं करना, मेरी नूह ने मुझे ये नहीं दिया, मेरे बच्चे ने मेरे. यार आपकी किस्मत में जो मिल रहा है.
See, that's what
Positiveness.
everyone stress. You live your life in gratitude, and I have learned from them. And I would just like to tell you, you might be knowing that person like me, how come I got in connection with him. So I just wanted to work for NGOs. So I just called him.
I worked for Prime Minister I.K. Gujral, his
Yes.
election in charge.
And
when you work with the Prime Minister,
Yes.
you have to be
Punctual.
very punctual, and you have to be very intelligent. Always reading, update your knowledge, and don't say that I can do. You can see the photograph of Gujral Sahib
Yes,
in my bed.
it is there
Yeah,
with sir.
that is that. वो भी दिखा दो.
Yeah. So, are you listening, my listeners? So, how I got into connection, he is so humble and down to earth. He just called me in his office, and I have a privilege. He treats me like his own daughter, and I can call him now anytime. So, and you be loving. However, he has reached so much of height, still he is grounded. He has not forgotten his roots. So, that's his wonderful thing which I really like about him. And I call him, you are still young and you can give challenge to all the teenagers, and you are the first one whom I want to feature in my channel, on my channel, right? And if you want to see the achievements of his, he's still getting awards. Okay, so I'll just show you all the listeners. Just give me a sec. Can you see? These are all the awards which he has received, and the list is endless. Just see. Oh my goodness, just see the books, kind of books he reads. Yes, and just see the awards and rewards, right? So yes, we are here. Just see the awards and his father. I hope I'm clear, right? So, sir, final message to everyone, to all the humans in this world, what you want to give, that they should also live their life in gratitude, and they should also be wonderful human beings.
You should help the human and every living thing. That's why then you are human being. If you don't help them, you are animal. Just like cow, dog.
Yes.
If you help, you are human being. Humanity called human.
Yes. So live in gratitude and be generous
Positiveness,
and
always
kind.
happy, always happy, always happy. ये जन्म नहीं मिलेगा दोबारा. This is the one inning, and play your inning with a century. Make 100 years score. Okay. Thank you very much for listening to me. See you next time.
Sure. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And we will see you tomorrow. So this was our surprise element. Please let me know in the comment section, all you beautiful people, how you liked our guest, and have you got inspired by his achievements. So you can see at my back, there are so many achievements today. Background is also changed. And see you more. I will be having more guests like this. And keep on sharing, liking and subscribing to all those who need this motivation. So bye bye. Take care and see you till next video.